I hope you all had a great Easter weekend. Now, let's shift gears and get back to trading. Last week was a shortened 4-day trading week due to Good Friday. Thursday was relatively quiet with low volatility, but the first 3 days had some solid moves, mostly keeping pressure on the downside. From a news standpoint, this week looks pretty uneventful. There aren't any major catalysts on the calendar, just a few Fed speakers lined up, and we'll be watching them for any clues. On Thursday, we'll get the initial jobless claims, and Friday brings us the consumer sentiment report. Overall, it's shaping up to be a lackluster week in terms of market-moving news, unless President Trump surprises the market with any notable comments on tariffs. Now let's dive into the technicals. The Nasdaq is still clearly in a downtrend, making lower highs. It was perfectly rejected near the trend line, which confirms ongoing downward pressure. If the Nasdaq fails to find support around 17,949, it could drop quickly to the next key level at 16,790. The S&P 500 is showing a similar pattern. Its recent dead cat bounce lacked strength and couldn't even come close to testing the trend line. Keep an eye on the 5,076 level. If that breaks, we could see a sharp move lower. And if the sand piece sells off aggressively, the rest of the market will likely follow, potentially leading to new lows. Lastly, the dollar index is still moving within a channel and is currently testing the lower support trend line. We've seen a pretty aggressive sell-off in the dollar following Trump's tariff-related headlines. Watch the 96.76 level as the nearest support. If that goes, we might see more weakness ahead. That's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.